back. I was checking on the good time gang. I'm just checking on the good time gang. Mod Squad Mobile right back in the mini. Mod Squad put it right back in the mini grass. Mod Squad Mobile, come on down. Aloha. Got it all nasty, got it all nasty. You said little rough in the Magnolia. Ain't nasty Mod Squad, ain't nasty Mod Squad. Hello nasty, look Mod Squad right back, working the mobile now. Aloha. Nastyville, bye Nastyville. You still showing up real nice in Honolulu. Nasty, nasty around Nastyville. Take care, nasty Mod Squad Mobile. Nasty Mod Squad in a mobile. Have a good day. Aloha. Bye SwitchBlade, you can work it too there, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, you can work it too. Hello SwitchBlade, Mod Squad in a mobile gone. Aloha. Bye thing, you want to work the corner, thing. Hey thing, SwitchBlade, you work the corner, Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back, aloha. Mod Squad, I said aloha. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, I said aloha. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, I said right there, you said aloha to both of them. You said aloha to both of them guys right there. Hey, Nastyville thing and SwitchBlade right there. Mod Squad, Honolulu, check, aloha. I cut his radio off. Hey, Mod Squad, I cut Nasty's radio off. You want to cut radios off? Hey, thing, you want to cut some radios off? Hello, thing, while you cutting some radios off in Honolulu, thing. Hey, thing, what they gonna do about you? Aloha. You said they go that thing again? You said there go that thing again. Thing, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Bye, there go that thing again. Bad boy. Bye thing, you a bad boy. Hey thing, you a bad boy now. You being a bad boy thing. Grandma gonna look at you. Right there, thing. You take care, thing. Take care of that nasty boy in the good time gang. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Right back in the mini grass. Aloha. Damn, put them all inside the head. Damn, there go that thing again, Mod Squad. Bye-bye. Bye, thing. Hey, thing, you bam him on the side of the head. And thing, you put him on the side of the head right there now. Aloha. The west side, the east side, and all y'all there, Mother Nature was saying them got Mother Nature little boy. I'm in the middle, I see it. And y'all take care, man. And you let them all know that Mod Squad be in downtown Honolulu with my 4-pill mobile. Mod Squad, downtown Honolulu, right back. Aloha. Look what Mod Squad did. Look what Mod Squad did. Bye thing. Aloha.